In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn without them receiving any notification that you viewed their profile. Although LinkedIn doesn't allow you to block someone without first accessing their profile, there's a way to ensure they don't know you visited before you proceed with the block. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your profile settings. Open up the LinkedIn app and look for your profile icon, which is conveniently located at the top left of your screen. Give that a tap. Once you've done that, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom left and select the Settings option. Now with Settings open, it's time to focus on your visibility. Tap on Visibility to find more options related to how others see your activity on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility section, you'll find an option titled Profile Viewing Options. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to switch over to Private mode. What this does is it makes you appear as an anonymous LinkedIn member when you view someone's profile. This means that although the person will be notified that someone has viewed their profile, they won't have any clue that it was you. With this anonymity in place, it's time to make your move. Head back to the main search bar and look up the person you want to block. Once you find them, open their LinkedIn profile. In the profile view, notice the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping on these will open up a menu where you'll select Report or Block. From here, you'll be given the option to block this user, which will appear right beside their name. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply confirm that you want to proceed. Once LinkedIn shows they're blocked, you're all set. After completing the block, you might want to revert your settings back to normal, especially if you like to see who's viewing your profile. Tap on your profile icon again. Navigate to Settings and go back to Visibility. Head back into Profile Viewing Options, and here switch back to your name and headline to re-enable regular viewing settings. One final step for reassurance. While you're still in the visibility settings, scroll down until you reach Blocked Members. Tapping this will let you verify that the person you intended to block is officially on your blocked list. And there you have it. That's how you can discreetly block someone on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching.